When we think of Assam, the first image that comes to mind is mighty Brahmaputra River winding its way through the lush green valleys. But Assam is also wildlife capital of India, home to 7 national parks. We begin with the crown jewel, Kaziranga National Park. A UNESCO World Heritage Site, Kaziranga is one of India's greatest conservation stories. Here, the annual floods of the Brahmaputra shape vast grasslands perfect for one-horned rhinoceros. More than 2,400 rhinos live here, making it two-thirds of the world's population. But Kaziranga is not just about rhinos. You'll also find Bengal tigers, Asiatic elephants, wild water buffaloes, swamp deer, and even migratory birds that arrive every winter. The wetlands inside Kaziranga also support the endangered gangetic dolphin. Reaching Kaziranga is easy. The nearest airport is Jorhat, about 100 kilometers away, or Guwahati, around 200 kilometers. By train, Furkating Junction is the closest station. Visitors usually explore the park through jeep safaris and elephant rides, which give close encounter with the wildlife. From Kaziranga, we travel westwards to the Himalayan foothills, where lies the beautiful Manas National Park. Manas is not just a national park, it's also a tiger reserve, a biosphere reserve, and a UNESCO World Heritage Site all in one. Once a hunting reserve, Manas now protects more than 22 endangered species. Here, you can see the rare pygmy hog, hispid hare, Bengal floric, Chinese pangolin, and the endangered golden langur. Along with these, Manas also shelters elephants, wild buffaloes, swamp deer, rhinos, and tigers. Its landscape is also breathtaking, rolling grasslands and Manas River flowing nearby. Manas is about 140 kilometers from Guwahati, with Barpeta Road railway station just 20 kilometers away. Moving north along the Brahmaputra, we arrive at Orang National Park. Though small in size, Orang is often called Mini Kaziranga because of its thriving Indian rhinoceros population. But Orang has its own identity. It is one of the last strongholds of the critically endangered pygmy hog, the tiniest wild pig in the world. The park also protects elephants, swamp deers, wild buffaloes, and gangetic dolphin, which can be seen in the nearby Brahmaputra waters. The landscape of Orang is charming, floodplains, grasslands dotted with wetlands, making it a paradise for migratory birds. To reach Orang, you can fly to Tezpur Airport 80 kilometers away or drive 140 kilometers from Guwahati. Further east, near the border of Arunachal Pradesh, lies Nameri National Park. This park feels more like a peaceful retreat than a wildlife reserve. Flowing through the Nameri is Jia Boreli River, where visitors can enjoy gentle rafting, spotting kingfishers, hornbills, and waterbirds. The forest itself is home to tigers, leopards, clouded leopards, gaurs, and elephants, but it is especially known for the endangered white-winged wood duck, which hides in the forest pools. Nameri is also favorite for bird watchers, with over 370 species recorded. The nearest airport is just 35 kilometers away, making it very accessible. As we move towards the upper Assam, we enter a different kind of forest, the rain-soaked world of Dehing Patkai National Park, often called as Amazon of the East. This is the largest stretch of lowland forest in India, filled with towering holong, mekai, and holok trees. It is also one of the best places to see hornbills, with 7 different species recorded. Tigers, clouded leopards, elephants, and slow loris also live here, but its biodiversity remains unmatched. To reach here, the nearest airport is Dibrugarh, around 80 kilometers away. Not far from here, at the confluence of Brahmaputra River, Dibru River, and Lohit River, lies Dibru-Saikhowa National Park. Declared a biosphere reserve, this park is famous for its population of wild feral horses which roam freely in the grasslands. Dibru-Saikhowa is also an important bird area with over 350 species, including white-winged wood duck, Bengal florican, and migratory waterfowls. Visitors may also spot gangetic dolphin in the river channels and the elusive golden langur. Dibru-Saikhowa is closest to Dibrugarh Airport, just 40 kilometers away. Finally, we reach the Raimona National Park, the Assam's newest national park declared in 2021. It is located in the Bodoland territorial region. Raimona forms a transboundary conservation landscape along with Bhutan's Jigme National Park and West Bengal's Buxa Tiger Reserve. Raimona is famous for its golden langur, found only in this region, along with elephants, wild buffaloes, and tigers. Its forests, rivers, and grasslands create a serene setting, still largely untouched by heavy tourism. The nearest airport is Guwahati, around 220 kilometers away, and the nearest railway station is Kokrajhar, about 60 kilometers from the park. And so our journey across the Assam's 7 national parks comes to an end. Thank you.